always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
A yellow sun.
That's right! Let's see if you can guess what my other paintings are. What's this?
A yellow house.
Yes! And what's this?
It looks like a yellow flower.
That's right!
What's this one?
That's a yellow wiggle bug. Did you notice something about all my paintings? Look again. I painted a yellow sun, a yellow house, a yellow flower, and a yellow wiggle bug. What do they all have in common?
They're all yellow.
That's right! Today I'm only painting yellow things.
Pig's paintings give me an idea. Let's make yellow our special color of the day. Which pencil is yellow? There it is! Yellow pencil. Which kite is yellow? There it is! Yellow kite. Which hat is yellow? There it is! Yellow hat. Which flower is yellow? There it is! Yellow flower. Very good!
Pig, Fox, I'm going to show you a new way of painting.
Ooh!
I don't see any paintbrushes.
That's right, Fox. We're not going to paint with paintbrushes.
Huh?
Huh?
We're going to paint with sponges. Ready to see what happens?
Okay.
Do you want to start with blue paper or red paper?
Blue, please.
take red, please.
Great! Now, pick up a sponge. Dip it in the yellow paint. And start painting.
Oh, look! My paper is turning orange. Because red and yellow make orange.
My paper's turning green.
That's right.
Look how smooth it looks.
I'm tapping my sponge. It looks rough, like rocks.
Smooth and rough are textures. Say it after me. Textures.
Textures. I'm done.
Me too.
Let's hang up your paintings and look at them. What's something that's the same about your paintings?
We both painted with sponges.
That's right. What else?
We both painted with yellow.
Yes. And what's something different about your paintings?
Mine came out green, and Pig's is orange.
And my painting is rough, but Fox's is smooth.
That's right. Now, what do we do when we're done painting?
We go play.
Uh-huh.
But first,
We clean up.
Oh, right.
that's right. Let's clean up together.
Okay.
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life. The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, like the color yellow. Yellow here and there, I see it everywhere. Yellow all around, in the sky and on the ground.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Hippo Wants to Dance. In this story, Hippo wants to dance. Will any of the other animals dance with her? Let's find out. Let's begin. Hippo Wants to Dance. Written by Marissa Stein and Sam Beck-Bessinger. Illustrated by Megan Andrews. Hippo wants to dance. She jumps up and down on the dusty ground. Thump, thump. You're getting dirt on me, says Snake, sleeping in the sand. Go dance somewhere else. Hippo wants to dance. She rolls into the river and splashes her arms and legs, splish, splash. You're making me wet, says Kingfisher, hunting for her breakfast. Go dance somewhere else. Hippo wants to dance. She twirls around and around in a field, kicking her legs up high. Swoosh, swoosh. Be careful. You nearly kicked me, says Meerkat, bathing his babies. Go dance somewhere else. Hippo wants to dance. She flops into a puddle of mud and slides around on her nice big belly. Squish, squash. Why don't you stop dancing? Asks Donkey, carrying his buckets. Why can't you do something helpful instead? Hippo is sad. She is too sad to dance. She sits on a rock and cries. The tears roll down her cheeks and fall on the ground. Plop, plop. Grasshopper hears Hippo's tears. He starts dancing around her feet. Hop, hop. Hippo and Grasshopper start to dance. The other animals come to look. And they all dance together. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called London Bridge. And look what I have in my backpack, a ukulele. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Well done.
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Quarter. Quarter. Queen. Queen. Quilt. Quilt. Quiet. Quiet.
Shh.
Quail. Quail.
What letter do all these words start with?
Q.
That's right, the letter Q. Yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter Q. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
I know! Let's trace letters with a glue stick!
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Fox, why don't you go first?
Okay. Q. Ah.
Great!
I'll try it. Q.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll trace the next one. Q.
Nice job!
I want to try. Q. Ooh.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
Q.
Exactly. Uppercase Q. And what's this letter?
Q.
That's right. Lowercase q. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! Q! Hi! I see you! Peekaboo! 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 I'm glad we got to play together today. Goodbye!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran